Hey, I'm Fish. The project continues. I'm heading out to a Home Depot. Not a super Home Depot, which is called a Home Expo. That is no more in the nation. Only one available, Springfield, New Jersey. The biggest Home Depot Expo you ever saw. We're not going to call and say, hey, don't let Fish get all the tiles. All I need is 6 of white marble type. I know what I want. I know what I'm getting. And I'm also going to look for that wire that is 3 foot per. I've seen it. I had it. They're just in the rolls. Oh, man. I watched this thing get rehabbed. It took him like a couple of years. If I can't get my tiles, the vinyls I want, I could paint it white. The reason why I want tiles that I'm going to make it stick out a little further than it's supposed to on the wood. And this way, when it looks good and it say it's good, I'll be happy it's good. You know what I mean, if you're a follower. Hey, where's your signal? You getting off too with no signal? Yeah. Like that one, they know how to signal. Oh man, all this traffic just to get to where I need to be at first thing in the morning. As we get along, we'll make the next light. Here we are. I see that Mustang again. He's over here. Look at that beauty. Look at that bad boy. What did I come to get? I came to get wire, which I don't need anymore. I found my old one and put a piece of plastic up and did winterizing to my plants. Vinyl tiles, 6 of them, large ones. So here we are, getting ready to go in. Where's the snow blowers, the barbecues? No more. That's why I want an Ultra, so I can stick it to my chest. Christmas is here, stocking stuffers. Oh yeah. Look, Goofy's here. He's reading a book. He says, try me.
Well, hey there. I've got a holiday poem for you. And boy, it's a classic. Oh, you can join me if you want to. Here I go. 'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse.
I'm there where I need to be. I just need to find vinyl. I'm in flooring. I don't want flooring. I want vinyl tiles, something like that. I was just in the aisle. It said vinyl flooring. I'm out of here. I don't have what I want. That one was probably the last that you ever get. Even the wire, no more. But what's this? Is it in the wrong aisle? I'm just about to give up. I gotta buy a whole package. No thanks. Let's escape. Get on out of here. I guess what I have to do is either go to a wise man or head on over back to Lowe's when they get more stock in singles. Let's get on out of here. I could be better off finding my tile cutter, which is misplaced somewhere or just stashed away real good, or buy one and just cut the tiles I got and make my own thing. It's not that hard to do. The days of just getting things become more difficult. The wiring was a wrap. I really don't need it. Man, gas is 6 cents cheaper here. Wow. Why put a turn signal on if hardly anybody does that? The blinding sun. You need a home, an apartment, rent-free, heated, unheated, air-free. There you go. And on that note, I'm Fish.